BB Venture is going to train us on how to design Ankara fascinator. You need fascinator that you have mowed, your needle and thread, gum stay, your Ankara fabric, your tape roll, and scissors. These are mowed. We have mowed it. Then you take your Ankara fabric, you turn it, you measure it out to get the size of what you want to use. This is the size that I want to use. Take your wool gum, put it at the middle, small at the body. Take your fabric, cover it, then use your hand to lay it well. Small fold. Put your wool gum inside the fascinator edge. Then fold it adjacently. Fold it like this. And like this. Then push everything inside. Make sure it's going well. Then you cut the leftover. You can see it. I've gone the fascinator with Ankara fabrics. Then you turn inside of it. Take your wool gum again. Take your Ankara fabric and cut for inside, then you gum it. We have gum. You can see it. We have gum the outside and the inside. The next thing now is to cut your design. We are going to cut the bow. Then take your. This is what we are going to use to make our bow. The breadth is 9.5, while the length is 12.5. Then cut your stay, call it gum stay. Just put it in the middle. In the middle, take your wool gum, your wool gum on the stay, the two sides, put it on the Ankara, what you do is that you gum it like this. Gum the second one on like this. Then take your needle and thread. That's it. Tap. You do your stitches. Remove your stitches. You can see we have made our two bow. Then you take your ugum. You can use your ugum or you tack it together. Use your ugum to join the two together. Join it together. Join it. Take your feather. Join your feather with your bow. You can tack it. Then look at this open space. You can use your brush and put brush there. You have to tack your brush. The feather, the brush and the bow together. Then you take your ugum. You can use your ugum or thread and needle to gum the design. Place it. Place it. Then take your Alice band. To fix your Alice band, you can use your wax candle to gum it and tack it. I'm going to tack it. This is our bow. We have fixed the bow, then the Alice band. Now it's time for us to fix the bias. Put your bias. We have fixed our bias and our Alice band. Then look at the design. Please subscribe, like and share.